up, guys? Corvette couple coming back at you with another video, and we're gonna show you what to cook when the weather sucks and there's not much to do outside and it's like rainy and cold and you know, where you don't feel like doing much.
Well, it's a simple little dish. It's just chicken fajitas. So simple, anybody can do it. I picked this little skillet up the other day at Bed Bath & Beyond. I love it. It's an easy thing to cook in for sure. So today is chicken fajitas. I'm going to add my olive oil. Good stuff. Super simple, super easy, and they turn out great. I'm going to add my chicken breast sliced up. Got it from Albertsons. And this is 1 pound 60.
Whatever.
1.60.
Yeah, we're not gonna go into details like that. We're just gonna show you what it comes with, and we're gonna put it on the pan and make.
We're gonna put it in a skillet.
Skillet, not pan, and make magic happen.
All right.
Look at Lucky. Lucky said, "Can I help, please? You know, I'll make something."
Oh, shit. That thing gets hot.
As you can see.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful, guys, if you're using this, seriously. Because don't want to put too much either, because then it starts sprinkling out. So just be careful.
All right, get my little spoon. And we're gonna let that cook in there. With the lid on. And I have the temperature at 350, and I'm going to keep stirring it as it goes for about 5 minutes. And time to check on the meat. Give it a stir. It's been about 5 minutes. You just got to make sure there's no kink inside of it, because you don't want no raw chicken. It looks perfect to me. You don't want to burn yourself either, so I'm going to turn that down. You're going to carefully get your tongs and put the chicken onto the side plate. Oops, onto the side plate, not the top. All these little guys out. That. Perfect. Now you want to grab your cut up vegetables. I got this also at Albertsons. It's already cut up, super easy, so I didn't have to do it. Oh, no, onions for dogs. Alright, then you want to carefully put the onions into the skillet, or the vegetables into the skillet. There you go. Throw a little bit more extra virgin olive oil on top. Then you want to take it and you want to stir it up. Put that heat back up to about, I can't see, I don't know, 250, 300, actually we'll go 300. You want to put the lid back on and let it saute for about another 5 minutes until they're nice and tender. All right, here we go, back again. We're gonna take, these should be all done. Take the lid off, be careful. Ooh, got some moisture in there. Give it a stir, as you can see, very nice and tender. Turn down that heat a little bit. Take your chicken. No, yeah, you can take your chicken, you can throw it back into the pan. Perfect. Now it's time to add your McCormick fajita seasoning mix. I like this one the best. You're going to add your 1/4 cup of water, and you're going to stir it. stirring it. And then once this is all stirred up and all mixed together, you can put the lid back on it, turn it on warm, and then you can also add your tortillas and your sour cream and salsa when you're all done. And that's it. Super simple, super easy. Here's the chicken fajita. This is what it looks like in the end. Delicious. I put a little sour cream on the bottom, the chicken and veggies on the top, wrapped inside of a tortilla. And then you can also add your Cholula hot sauce or whatever kind of hot sauce you prefer. Enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.